Hello and welcome to this video about the open-plan kitchen trend. In recent years, open-plan kitchens have become increasingly popular, and for good reason. This design style offers a number of benefits, from increased natural light to a sense of spaciousness. In this video, we'll explore what an open-plan kitchen is, the benefits it offers, and how to design one in your own home. What is an open-plan kitchen? An open-plan kitchen is a type of kitchen design where the kitchen is integrated with the living or dining area. This means that there are no walls or partitions between the kitchen and the adjacent space, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Benefits of an open-plan kitchen. One of the biggest benefits of an open-plan kitchen is increased natural light. With no walls blocking the flow of light, an open-plan kitchen can be a bright and welcoming space. This design style also offers a sense of spaciousness, as the lack of walls makes the space feel larger and more open. An open-plan kitchen is also ideal for entertaining, as it allows you to cook and interact with guests at the same time. Designing an open-plan kitchen. When designing an open-plan kitchen, it's important to consider the layout and flow of the space. You'll want to ensure that there is a clear separation between the kitchen and living or dining areas, such as a change in flooring or a distinct difference in lighting. It's also important to choose materials and finishes that complement the adjacent space, such as similar color schemes and similar textures. Functionality. In terms of functionality, an open-plan kitchen needs to be designed with the right balance of storage and counter space. You will want to ensure that there is enough space to prepare and store food, as well as enough counter space to work on. You may also want to consider adding a kitchen island, which can serve as a functional workspace, a dining area, or both. Lighting. Lighting is an important consideration in any kitchen, and this is especially true in an open-plan kitchen. Good lighting can help to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while also providing a clear view of the space. You may want to consider adding overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to ensure that the kitchen is well lit and functional. Conclusion. In conclusion, the open-plan kitchen trend offers a number of benefits, from increased natural light to a sense of spaciousness. With the right design and attention to detail, you can create an open-plan kitchen that is both beautiful and functional. If you're planning a kitchen remodel, consider an open-plan design to create a bright and welcoming space that is perfect for entertaining and everyday life.